Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. I create macrame textile art, and I'm here to simply inspire you to do the same. If that's your jam, subscribe and hit the bell notification. To start this dream catcher, we're going to tie a whole bunch of lark's head knots using the blue cord. I cut my cord at about 8 inches in length. Next, with a longer piece of blue cord, I am tying double half hitches all the way around the hoop. I find it easier to tie a few lark's head first and then go around with my double half hitches in sections. Once we get to the end, we're going to tie another double half hitch to close around the hoop. Next, spin it around so that the tail ends are at the bottom. This will be the bottom of your dream catcher. And be sure to snip the ends so that it matches the rest of your fringe. And next, with our butcher's twine, we're going to weave around our hoop, creating the webbing. I counted 4 lark's head knots between our stitches. Don't forget that we don't want to tie any knots while we're weaving because we want to be able to pull it taut. Okay, I attached our gemstone, and now I'm just fishing through an additional piece of blue cord. I'm attaching this cord with just one double half hitch knot. And of course, I'm going to loop it through the other side and tie another double half hitch knot to secure it. Okay, I decided to switch it up, and I'm using white cord now, and I'm just attaching it using a lark's head knot. I don't know if you caught that, but I tied it over top of both ends of our cord, and then I'm just going to snip off the excess cord. This is a sneaky way of saving myself a step in weaving later. When you attach your white cord, make sure that it's in multiples of 4. And now with our white cord, I'm going to tie square knots all the way across. Okay, now using the first cord as our lead cord, I'm going to tie double half hitches all the way into the center. If you're unfamiliar with your knots, don't worry, I got you. Go ahead and check my knot tutorial playlist. Okay, and I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Now grab 16 cords that are in the middle and then section it in half. I'm going to create a V shape using double half hitches. And of course, we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And then the lead cords, we're going to tie additional double half hitch to join them. And carrying on, I'm going to create a diamond shape at the bottom, also using the double half hitches. Now I'm going to comb out the fringe, and then I'm going to trim all the way around it so it's even. I decided to trim it in a V shape at the bottom. And to do this, I like to trim one side first, and then I kind of gather each piece and trim it so that it matches on both sides. I was hoping this one looked a little bit more masculine. What do you think? If you like this video, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.